Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fallen angel filter that has been going around at TikTok. So just open Picsart and select an image, go to effects, and then you are going to find colorize. Select it again and make sure your hue is at about 120-ish. And you want the fade to be around 41, well, 44, it's up to you. And make sure the setting you have is overlay. And then you're just going to select apply. Then you are going to go to effects again and find the halftone dots. Select it again and make your point size to be 0. Then you want your contrast to be around 5 and fade you want it to be around 57-ish. And then you're going to select the overlay one again and select apply. After that, you're going to again go to effects and find blur and choose blur and adjust it. It is up to you how much blur you want to add to the photo. Okay, maybe like around 5-ish. Okay, I'm just going to do 6. And I'm going to apply that. And make sure your application is on screen. Then again, go to effects and find noise. And then adjust it. This is up to you again. So, and then just press apply for this one. And then just save it to your gallery, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, if this video was helpful, please select the thanks button on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!